Hello, I'm Tom Pattinson and I love gardening, and I'm in my greenhouse at the moment. The thing I love about this is I can control the environment, the light, the moisture, the warmth. It's in my hands. This allows me to grow plants out of season, like this leaf lettuce here, cut and come again, and strawberries, and a whole lot more. Different matter outside. As soon as I step outside here, I grow decent crops. But I can't control the weather. If it rains, it rains. Frost comes, it does. I protect the plants in several ways. So I can work with the weather in this cool, temperate climate we have. Big problem is climate is changing. And climate is a different matter. Unfortunately, gardening is heading in a different direction. We're going to have changed quite a few things that we're doing already, but we're used to change, so we'll cope. I'm trying to do my little bit here in the greenhouse and the garden by not using peat. I don't use peat now. I never have bonfires. That doesn't help a bit. And I grow as much as my own produce as possible throughout the year, fruit, vegetables, and I don't buy stuff that has air miles attached to it. I buy locally. There are various things we can do, and I think I like to meet like-minded people and have a chat, a bit debate about where we're going. That's why I'm looking forward to the 25th of June in the Playhouse, when we have a discussion on What a Wonderful World. Hope to see you there.